Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to recover your deleted photos on your phone, especially on Samsung phone. You should just go to your gallery and you will enter here. Then in this page you can choose albums or pictures here. You can choose anything. For example, we will go to download here, and then this page you can delete any photo that you want to delete it, like this. We'll delete this photo here, for example, or these two photos. We click on delete. This is just an example how to recover your deleted photos. So I will delete my photos in the first, and then I will show you how to recover it on your phone. So we will delete these photos. We will click on move to trash, and as you see here, it's moving to trash, so it's deleted like this. So here we will enter again to gallery. We will find this sign here. You will click. Then you will find this signs here. We click on trash. And then as you see here on this page, you will find the photos or videos that you delete or you moved it to trash. You will click in these photos to select, and then here you will click in this sign of restore or recover, in this sign like this. And here we will return again to download or to this album, and here in this page you will find the same photos that I deleted. It's restored again in this page, as you see here. So that's it. That's how to restore your photos on Samsung phone, or how to recover your deleted photos on Samsung phone, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.